I spilled orange juice all over this desk just before starting to film, so I don't have high hopes for this one. Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Justy. Now I love giving gifts at Christmas. It is one of my favorite things to do. I love finding the perfect gift for somebody, something they didn't even remember they said to me they wanted, something that brings joy to their face. I have always loved it. And while I do prefer giving gifts to other people, I also love gifts from myself.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I feel so incredibly lucky that I found one of my dream dresses. I'm beyond excited. After the Angelic Pretty debacle, am I a little nervous about it fitting? Yes. But we're gonna make the best of it here today. I'm too excited to give any more of an introduction than that. I just need to get into this dress. Ooh. Okay. Look at all that pink gingham. Oh my God. The seller packaged this really well. That's nice. Oh, okay. I talked about this dress in my dream dress video and about how I really didn't think I was gonna be able to track it down, but I did it. Sweetheart check is here in my house. It went up for sale on Lace Market and it wasn't actually that overpriced. I thought it was at first, but I looked into it and it was not bad, all things considering, and I did get a bunch of little extras along with the dress, which of course I paid for, but still, it wasn't a listing for just the dress. So let's start with these. It has the tag. Oh my God. So first up, we have a slightly little smushy head bow. Let me fix him up. He will definitely need a steam. All of this will need a steam, I'm gonna tell you right now, coming out of these packages, but okay, there it is. We got the pink gingham. It says Baby the Star Sign Bright on the tag in the back. And there's a couple little faces of the bear and the bunny. And I will be completely honest with you, I'm blanking on the names a little bit. Is it Usakumiya and Kumakumiya? That's familiar. I think it's theirs. Oh my God, I'm just gonna put it on my little Santa hat. Cute! I love it. With this set, we also have socks. We have the matching socks, which are very simple but very cute. They just have brown and pink hearts up it on a white sock. The baby logo in a couple of them. That one looks like the bear, so that's very cute. And then it looks like, oh, well, there are the bears on the outside. Oh my God, that's very cute. I love the bows. I like that it says baby here in cursive at the back. Very cute socks and in pristine condition. Look at those soles. They're open but clearly not worn. I made myself a promise that no matter how badly I wanted a pair of socks, I would never buy myself gross, really used socks. And that tradition continues. And our last little extra, it is the matching little outfit, I guess, for your Usakumiya/Kumakumiya, depending on which one you have, I guess. I don't own either one of those, and this particularly wasn't like, ooh, super exciting in the listing for me. It was honestly the rest I was really stoked about. So if I ever get one, I guess I have an outfit prepared, but I may also sell this because I'm sure there are people with this dress who would love to match their little teddies, and I think that's very cute. It's just, oh my God, it's such a cute little thing. I love the idea of it. I don't have their bear or bunny, and I probably won't buy it. They're very expensive, and it's not the dress, and I just am all about that dress. Let's open the big boy, if I can find the opening. This is like beautifully packaged. It's folded nice. It's not all scrunched up. It looks like we also, so inside the packaging itself, we also have it in a garment bag, which is very nice. I'm into that. They were totally making sure this dress was protected. Let's take her out of the plastic. She deserves it. I can't believe I am holding this dress right now, I have to tell you guys. After watching it being reviewed by Sweetie and falling in love, I definitely never truly thought I'd actually have it. But here she is. If she's gonna fit is a whole other different story that I'm gonna cross the bridge of later. Right now I'm just gonna enjoy how cute she is. It is definitely a cotton dress. She's older, so that makes sense. Oh, the lace on this is a little flipped in. Can I flip it back out? Okay, yes, it's just from being folded. So we have our two little gingham straps to start, which do have adjustable straps and like super adjustable. There's several different button options in there. That is phenomenal and definitely beats out the angelic pretty I just got. It ends in two circles with bows at the face, which are not detachable, they live there. We come down to the scalloping. It's like, I want to say like one of the drippy edges they put on ice cream dresses, which it is obviously not, but it is just so cute and adds something up here so it's not just like a plain top. We have got the corsetting down the front and we've got little brown hearts in all the pink to tie in the prints. I love the little bunny and bear faces across the top. The big bow is removable, but it's super cute, so why would you want to? I wouldn't. And then we continue down with the gingham and the brown to the overall print, which is the bunny and the bear living together in harmony with red hearts. Oh, and then like a ribbon bow trim at the bottom, and then down to the lace. I love the just like subtle bits of red, like, I mean, not subtle, you can very much tell they're red, but just it's like the pops of red. It makes it look very Valentine's Day-y with the pink to me, which I love. The lace at the bottom has the bear and the bunny, or is it just the bunny? Okay, it looks like it's just the bunny repeated and it says baby underneath. It's fine that it's just the bunny, doesn't bother me. The back, we have some shirring, not a lot, but it actually stretches a pretty good amount, which really makes me feel good about maybe getting into this. And then the corset lacing that matches the same ribbon on the front. We have waist ties that are held on by a cute little heart button so you can remove them, and are the same gingham print with the bunny and the bear going all the way down on the ribbon. And then the bottom is the same print. We have one of the annoying zippers, no longer shocked anymore. I will be pleasantly surprised when one of these has a proper zipper. It does have a hook and eye though, which I found that actually with my other baby, or well, Alice in the Pirate Struts, but same concept. And the hook and eye really does help when you're trying to get this over the waist, because that's always the problem area. Does it have a pocket? No, no pockets. Fine, I'll live with it. She is lined at the bottom with just a silky feeling, kind of definitely not cotton, fake lining, but the bodice is not lined. It's just one layer, but it does have a yoke fold over right at the edge, which will provide a little bit of extra layering up here. The dress itself, ooh, my hair's already on it. Love that for me. The dress itself did not come with a tag, even though the other stuff did, so obviously it was ripped off at some point. But that's fine. I do not particularly care about the tag when I'm buying secondhand. I can't believe that I already found this dress and that I managed to find it with all the extra little accessories and things. Honestly, the socks are a big thing. It is gonna make wearing this so much easier. The head bow is a given. I mean, I really, really like having head bows with things, so I'm glad that was. But also, the socks? I'm so excited. She is a gorgeous dress, and unfortunately I don't have time to do a try on today, and also I'm nervous about doing try-ons on camera after the last video. When I do wear her, I will be putting photos up on my Instagram, which the link is down below. You can go follow to see lots of cute Lolita pictures at any point in time that you like. And otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little unboxing, little present for myself for Christmas, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.